Have you gotten heartbroken?
Yeah.
How do you deal with that?
I go through it. Sit with yourself, feel it. And then once you have felt it, understand why you're feeling it. Let it go past you, let it go through you and get out of you also. But don't brush it under the carpet.
One of Indian cinema's most celebrated actresses, Kiara Advani, joins us for an unfiltered conversation.
You used to look at your parents, they were very lovey-dovey. So
Yeah.
you wanted to have what they have. It's called the shadow effect. Like you want to shadow
Yeah.
everything that they're going through
Yeah.
in your life, in your own life. Did
Yeah.
that become the case in your life?
I think that's why I must have even fallen in love with Sid, because for me, I saw my dad self-made, creating the best for his family. Even when days were bad, he would never let it come to us.
Or just pretend to be lost in the
इस एपिसोड में उन्होंने ऑनेस्टली शेयर किया कि एक्टिंग, मदरहुड और सेल्फ आइडेंटिटी के बीच बैलेंस बनाना कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है, अलॉन्ग विद द फेलियर्स, सेल्फ डाउट, प्रेशर और वो इमोशनल बैटल्स जो कभी पब्लिक तक नहीं पहुंचती.
Have you felt inferior in room?
No. I prefer to be not the smartest person in the room. I think it's nice to be in rooms where you have lots to learn from around you. But I've never been in a room and felt like, do I belong here? No.
You said now you're very cognizant of what to do, what not to do, because you always have this mom brain taken over.
Yeah.
You're thinking about your daughter.
Yeah.
Is there any decision you would have not taken knowing now what you're going through?
No. I really feel like there is something that I have learned from every single experience. I can say that it has shaped me today. I feel, in fact, it's the lows that have been my biggest teachers.
I will rise.
How would you teach your daughter to deal with today's men?
All those relations in your life that you have growing up, they all teach you something. So I feel I would like to bring her up in a way that lets her make all her choices for herself. I don't want her to experience life from our experience. She should have her own.
What changes after you become a mother?
Everything. I'm a completely different person in every way. My whole life, I've been so other-centric. What's changed since my baby's been born is I finally found the time to nurture that relationship that I need to have with myself. And it's probably the best thing I've done for myself. Because you realize you're doing so much for everyone else. You forget about the relationship you need to have with yourself.